How was the Spanish F1 race? Tell me about that.
It was incredible. So we're already going on the track. Right, how are you excited? From 1 to 10. Quickly.
7.
7. Okay, I'm excited. I say 8. Because I don't know what to expect.
I'm just tired.
Yeah, me too. I'm hungry. I'm
Hangry.
almost that. So yeah. Can you imagine that? They just started FP3. The coast is there! So someone's in the gravel right now during the FP3. It's just a little bit chaotic because everybody wants to go there, go closer to the car and see whose car is it.
Oh, he can't control it, it's so slippery.
Oh my god, the sound is amazing! Yeah, let's go!
Red flag, really? Red flag, mate.
Here we go again.
Okay.
The qualifying session has just ended. It was incredible. I am so happy for Lando, honestly. Like, to be in P3.
Yeah, interesting.
The cheering for Alonso here is kind of insane.
It is good, right?
It is. I'm so excited for tomorrow's race. So we're at the fan zone. There's lots of people behind me and everywhere. Here you can like practice your doing pit stop. Taking a few photos in different photo zones. Buy lots of merch everywhere for different drivers, for different teams. You can play sims there. Yeah, sim racing there. Massive queue, obviously, but you can do it all if you have free time before the practice or the race or whatever. So yeah, I don't know. I'm excited as fuck. So the hats are 60, 70, and shorts are 50. Okay. Switch to a new hat.
Nuestro objetivo para el día de mañana entonces será. I will be happy doing Le Mans.
I think Checo should go fan diving on the top.
Oh, yeah. I think today might be a challenge, but tomorrow is going to be a fun day, I reckon.
I'm hoping that Aston Martin can compete. I hope Fernando can beat Max this weekend. if we can like get ahead of the Ferraris and the rest, then we'll be happy.
The Saturday has come to an end. Honestly, I am speechless. Просто в ахуе, якщо чесно. To see those cars in real life and like to hear them, to fucking hear that sound of V6. Is it V6? I might be wrong. I think it's V6. It is just insane. Good morning from the track. This is the track. The view from our grandstand H. We can see like the whole of this third sector, sorry. And here's the final turn and the pit lane entrance. Yeah. So little people here right now because it's still not even 9 in the morning. But it's so peaceful and calm here. So just to briefly show you what hospitality means, is that you come here at 9 o'clock in the morning, they open at 9, and you will have served breakfast. This is the whole menu, and this is what I got today. It's like an omelette, different stuff. I am still sleeping at 9, but I have my coffee, which is very good here, so I'm gonna be awake. So in the hospitality, you get served breakfast, brunch, and then like lunch, because the race starts at 3 p.m. So yeah, before that it's a nice time for lunch, I guess. So basically hospitality at the circuit means a particular area with a limited variety of food and drinks, including alcohol. Plenty of shaded seats, which is essential for a place like Spain. Yeah, it gets pretty hot under this tent sometimes, so better go to the dedicated grandstand then. Formula 2 time. They are loud. Let's see. Okay.
Championship leader.
For now. So far. The race is about to start, less than 30 minutes. Everybody's there on the track already preparing the cars and everything, which is so exciting. Behind me are some of the rainy clouds. Well, we wish that there would be rain during the race. You get me, right? So we have P1 from the qualification, Max Verstappen, P2 Carlos Sainz, P3 London Norris, P4 Hamilton. I'm starting to worry about Norris, but hopefully he'll be fine. All you do during the race is trying to get spot whose car is rapidly passing before your eyes, moving your head side to side, kinda like in tennis, huh? Then catch a bit of English or Spanish commentary and zoom into the screen opposite the grandstand to see the rankings in progress.
A few moments later.
By the way, I never run. But you know, when you have to, you run. Of the Ferrari garages, and apparently people are all waiting for the drivers to come out after the media pen. I'm hot. Тупо плавлюсь. We can wait. I don't mind. As long as I'm on a track, I'm happy. When one of the drivers came out,
Loves the fans. He loves the fans.
20 minutes later.
so I was not expecting this place to happen and for me to be here. Yeah, helicopter, whatever, parking, a bar, and lots of fans again. It's Stefano Domenicali, the CEO of F1, just come through. Sunday evening. Look at this little red pig. I was on purpose exposing myself to the sun today during the F3, F2 races, and here's what I got. I'm not moaning about it or whatever. I want it to be like that. In a few days, this all red will turn cute little brown color, chocolate one. So.